Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and to this video I'm going to show you on how to change display language in CapCut full guide. So let's see. Right, so the very first thing you need to do is open up your CapCut. After you open up your CapCut, next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here, click on this icon right here, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on settings right here, and just like so, you have everything right here. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to language tab right here. Then you have everything right there. Then at the point here, you can simply scroll down, up and down, and choose your preferred language. Immediately you choose any of your language you understand. Let's say, for instance, you are Portuguese. Select Portuguese and come down below here and click on save. Boom, it's as simple as that. So the language display is going to be automatically changed, and from there you'll be able to understand how to explore some of the tools in CapCut. If you don't understand the default language, as simple as that. So basically, this is how to change your display language in CapCut video editing software. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use CapCut video editing software. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.